Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Tip, Tricks and Tech. Today I'm going to do a short video on how to do a tip which is just easy, just how to clean your headlamp if it's faded. Simple tip, easy, so let's go and check it out. Hi guys, this is my aunt's old car. If you look at it, it's right side headlamp is faded. Now I'll show you the right side too. So if you look at the right side, it's look clean because I was cleaning with this WD-40. So this is just a pure tip how to clean this faded headlamp. Okay, so you're gonna take some in a paper towel, just spray it on it, and just pretty much scrub it really good, like a really nice scrub. See, you can see the difference right now. It's already clearing it up. That fade is gone, and pretty easy, and it's gonna stay clear. So just give it a good rub, it will be fine, just like this. So a simple tip like this can change your life and your car's headlamp and make you brand new. So don't forget to subscribe my channel if you haven't, and click that bell button, and see you soon with another video.